Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart for Home. Today, I'm going to show you how to install Netflix on your Roku TV. Whether you're setting up a new TV or just haven't gotten around to it yet, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Turn on your Roku TV. First things first, make sure your Roku TV is turned on and connected to the internet. If you haven't connected your Roku to Wi-Fi yet, go to Settings, select Network, and follow the prompts to connect to your wireless network. Step 2. Navigate to the home screen. Next, press the home button on your Roku remote to navigate to the Roku home screen. This is where you can access all of your channels and settings. Step 3. Access the channel store. Now, scroll down and select Streaming Channels to open the channel store. This is where you'll find Netflix along with many other apps. Step 4. Search for Netflix. Once you're in the channel store, go to the Search Channels option. Using the on-screen keyboard, type in Netflix. You should see Netflix appear in the search results. Step 5. Add Netflix to your channels. Select Netflix from the search results and you'll be taken to the app details page. Here, click on Add Channel to install Netflix on your Roku TV. The installation process only takes a few seconds. Step 6. Launch Netflix. Once the installation is complete, press the home button again to return to the home screen. You should now see Netflix listed among your channels. Select the Netflix icon to launch the app. Step 7. Sign into your Netflix account. Finally, sign into your Netflix account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one directly from the app. Enter your email and password, and you'll be ready to start streaming your favorite shows and movies. Conclusion. And there you have it. You've successfully installed Netflix on your Roku TV. Now you can enjoy endless hours of entertainment. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials and tips. Happy streaming.